Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a GitHub repository. Now, repository is basically a bunch of files, coding files in one file. Usually how that looks like is, something like this. This is like just one file in the entire repository. Obviously, this is how it would look like right here. If we go and scroll down, you will be able to see. But let me show you how you can actually go and create a repository. So whenever you are here on your account, you will have this plus sign and you can go and click new repository. Now there are two different ways how you can import or how you can create a depository or repository. You can create new repository or import already existing repository. So this will depend what you want to do. Then you will need to type a short and memorable name for your repository. For example, hello world in this case. Can be, in your case, something different. Optionally, you can add a description, which is down below, and just select initialize this repository with readme. Click create repository, and that's pretty much it. You successfully created your first repository. Now, in your repository list of files, you can select readme.md, and from here you can go and edit that file. Obviously, you can put your own code into it and stuff like that. So also, you can review the changes you made to the file. So if you select show different, you will see the new content in green, as you can see right here. So this is the new content in green. So yeah, and then you just click commit changes. You can add as many files as you want in a repository, as far as I know. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can create a repository on GitHub. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.